All right, guys, so we're going to go over exactly how to do this. And first, let's go into my account. So right here, we have the shopping campaign, and this has been about 23rd. So this has been over a month, a little over a month, which is perfect. Now we have enough data, just like how I teach. And this actually gave me a perfect example because look at what I was mainly showing up for. I put in custom socks in the beginning of the title, and as you can imagine, this is $20 cost per conversion. This is not what I'm trying to do. I want to be lower. However, if we look at how many conversions, this got me 11, but this one got me 7. And this was custom socks with picture. This is insane. And this was $2 cost per conversion. And look at the difference in impression share. I was shown up for this so many times, 11,000 impressions. It's hard to know the exact impression share, but I can almost guarantee that if I had this ranked in the front, this would go up by a ton. So that is the strategy, like I already mentioned before, and I would have been extremely, like 2x, 3x, 4x more profitable. So this would have made me 4 times more money. What I'm saying is that what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going through filtering by conversions and seeing these little hidden gems. I mean, I don't even know how you can have 1 impression and 6 conversions. This has to be a little bit off, but nonetheless, there was definitely not a lot of impressions here. Dog, socks, pet, photo. Like, this is so weird, but I had 6 conversions of this at 28 cents per conversion. So here is another one that I want to put in. Now let me show you how we're going to organize this real quick before I keep going. So we're going to go through actually this. These are going to be our steps. And so what we want to do is find kind of our top 3 terms that's going to be in the front of our listing. Remember how we have this, the listing right here, the title. So we want to find our top 3 terms that's going to go in each one of these different SKUs, right? So now we're looking at for our first place winners. And obviously we want these to be different than each other and hopefully just be completely kind of different, not different niches, but different pockets, right? And so we're going to go down here and we're going to look custom socks. Obviously we're going to redo this completely. Now we're going to have one with custom socks with picture. Okay, that's immediate. I'm doing that one for one of my SKUs. My next SKU in the beginning is definitely going to have this dog, socks, pet, photo. I don't know why this did so well, but 28 cents per conversion, I've got to test this. So this is going to be my other SKU. And then my next one is personalized socks. Like, it's already done for me. I have enough data. So I'm like, okay, this is great. I want to be, the reason why I also like personalized is because personalized is a completely different word than custom. So I know this is going to be ranked differently. It just is. So the rest now I can fill in. So what do I mean by that? Well, since I found my top 3, now I want to find my second place fillers. And my second place fillers are going to go right here, right? So it's pretty simple, I guess. But now I want these to be weird, odd terms that I wouldn't have really thought to put first anyway. Now, just to backtrack, we don't have to, now look, if you have a listing that's doing really well, you don't have to edit your original SKU that you've been advertising to get your results in the first place. If you want, you could say, well, screw it, I don't want to edit this one at all, and that's fine. And you can just edit the new products, which is going to just be 2 of them, right? So you're just going to have 2 of the products that you're going to edit rather than just redoing your first one. And that's totally fine too. It's your judgment call. So if we look, I see this, and now I want to find some weirder terms. And by weirder, I want to actually sort by cost per conversion, and I want to see which one was giving me like the least amount of cost per conversion. I guess I got to go sort by this way. But let's see. I want to scroll down. Any weird terms? Personalized photo socks. Don't worry about when I say excluded. This is something we're going to cover when we start doing a funnel type of shopping campaign. Okay, yeah, this is definitely a weird one. 6 conversions. This is a for sure winner. Okay, so socks with your dog's picture. I might look at how to organize, like put a picture as the second term. Now notice I'm just going to be going through and finding the weird terms. Personalized photo socks. I like that. Maybe I could even match that in with personalized socks. Now personalized photo socks. I like that. Even custom image socks. That's really good too. And so you're just going to go through and pick one of these that has a good amount of conversions, especially a low cost per conversion, and see if you can start ranking more into this and really starting to explode. So socks with pictures on them. This is another one I would definitely put into my listing. And so I have some already really good ideas, and these are just little things that we're going to be putting into our listing. For our third place, we're going to kind of rinse and repeat what we did in the second place. We're going to find another 3 terms, maybe that aren't completely different, because it's going to be kind of hard since we're really selling one product. But if you can just find something else that has different terms. Like for example, remember how I was saying, oh, I like this one because it has personalized instead of custom? Well, find maybe if we're selling the fish finder, like we have fish finder for men, fish finder 36 meters. Like we're gonna have to find odd terms, and we're gonna put those in there. Now, after we kind of do our due diligence, you're gonna have a sheet and you're gonna put it down. And once you have your general idea, this is when we're then going to go into our app, right? So this is our Google Shopping app that we already went over, and this is our original listing. So this is our original listing, and let's just say we don't want to touch this. Well, if we don't want to touch this, then all of those extra terms we found, we can actually organize it into these two, and it would make it really easy. And so that's exactly what we're going to do. And so that's exactly what we can do. So we'll go into here, and now all we have to do is edit the title. Now we just need to put in the new optimized keywords and put it into here, and this will be a done deal. So fish finder new optimized title. Cool. So this is going to be our new optimized title, and then we're going to be covering description in just a little bit, and we're going to do this for this one and then the next one. So let me make sure I didn't skip anything. Okay, great. And then we apply it to the app. So this very simple, but just really go through. And as long as you make sure that you go to the very bottom and just kind of scroll through, see what's converting, what didn't convert, and you'll have literally, I mean, you guys already have a full blueprint. Just go ahead, go through this, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video when we talk about description.